बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आप देख रहे हैं चलता टीवी और मैं हूं सोनिया मिर्ज़ा। आइए नज़र डालते हैं आज की कुछ अहम खबरों पर।
City of Dallas Muslim leaders and Honorable Amirali Rupani. His wife Parveen Rupani and Rupani family hosted an iftar dinner with the mayor of Dallas Eric Johnson on Monday, April 10th at Olfat Dallas Lovefield Hotel. The host committee Amirali Rupani, Ghulam Janga and Mashan Mandavia welcomed all incoming guests. This jam-packed event was attended by hundreds of people of all faiths.
Amirali Rupani, who is also a senior member of the Board of Trustee Pakistan Society of North Texas PSNT. He introduced the Pakistan Society of North Texas team members to the mayor of Dallas during the welcome. The Rupani family welcomed the mayor with open heart.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'm so happy that we're able to do this event again in person here in Dallas.
Our ethnic group was there and everybody was enjoying and they were knowing the Ramzan, what is Ramzan is. And that's the reason we are doing all this iftari.
Good friends from the Muslim community here, all under one roof tonight.
And I also want to thank Chalta TV for covering this beautiful event. My dear brother is always there for all community events to represent us, and we are extremely thankful to him. And inshallah we'll continue with this good work.
कम्युनिटी से जो लोग यहाँ पे आज आए हुए हैं, ये एक बहुत ही बोल्ड स्टेप है और बहुत ही अच्छा स्टेप जो कि अमीरली रूपानी, मोहसिन मांडविया, गुलाम जांगरा और अजहर अजीज़ और दूसरी इस्लामिक एसोसिएशंस ने लिया है।
मेरा नाम नदीम अख्तर है, मैं चेयरमैन हूँ एपी पैक टेक्सास चैप्टर का। तो बहुत ज़बरदस्त आपने यहाँ कवरेज की है। तो मेयर ऑफ डैलस के साथ बहुत सारी जो लोकल गवर्नमेंट के ऑफिशियल्स है, मोस्ट ऑफ द जजेस ऑफ प्रीटी मच एवरी कोर्ट, they were here and they have broken iftar with us. तो उन्होंने हमारे साथ यूनिटी का एक सैंपल जो है वो पेश किया है।
We like to say everything here is bigger, and that includes our Muslim community.
And leaders together, a lot of Islamic organization together, and alhamdulillah, a lot of judges and everybody and the mayor of Dallas showed up. Alhamdulillah, it was a good program, and inshallah we'll try to do bigger and better next year, inshallah.
सेकेंड टाइम मैंने अटेंड किया है, तो माशाल्लाह हम डैलस के जो मेयर हैं उनका बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं कि उन्होंने पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी को रमज़ान में याद रखा।
I'm immensely grateful to my very dear friend and brother Amirali Rupani and his entire family for leading these efforts. We had the honor of hosting the mayor, former Congresswoman Eddie Bernice Johnson, so many judges and city officials. So it was a beautiful evening. People of different ethnicities, different faiths were all over here to break the fast.
Immediate past president of PAC, and I'm a physician in Dallas.
I will tell the community, we really appreciate the community support. Without their support, we cannot do this kind of event. And plus the mayor is here itself, and he tells 1,000 words when the mayor of city, a big city like us in Dallas is the growing city. When the mayor is there, you can see the difference in the community itself.
बहुत ही अच्छा इवेंट है, ऐसे इवेंट्स होने चाहिए। जो इंसामी हैं, बिलखुसूस रूपानी साहब, उन्होंने जो सबसे अच्छा काम ये किया है कि इस इवेंट में जो लोकल्स हैं उनको एंगेज किया है।
Hundreds of community leaders attended from North Texas, including Azhar Aziz, Ghulam Janga, Nadeem Akhtar, Nadeem Zaman, PSNT ex-president and current Board of Trustee Pakistan Society of North Texas Abid Malik, current president PSNT Salman Tamani, Abid Baik, Rao Kamran Ali of PACPAC, Imishiz Rai of AP PAC, Mujib Tazi, Mubashir Warwick and Iftias Khan, organizations, members of Islamic Centers of Masjids and Imams, Islamic Society of North America, Islamic Association of North Texas, North Texas Islamic Council, Texas Muslim Women Foundation, and Aga Khan Council for Central United States attended the event. City officials, Dallas Deputy Mayor Pro Tem Omar Narviz, Dallas County Clerks Honorable John F. Warren, Dallas County Court Judge Diane Jones, Dallas County Judge Tara Khan, Dallas County District Attorney Honorable John C. Cusat, Dallas County Sheriff Marion Brown.
Judge Criminal District Court, Tina Clinton. Judge Criminal Court District, Dominique Collins. Dallas County District Clerk, Honorable Felicia Pitter. Dallas County Commissioner Honorable Cariza Daniel. Dallas County Treasurer Paulin Medrano. Dallas County Commissioner Andy Sommerman. Judge of the 95th Civil District Court Honorable Monica McCoy Purdy.
Judge the 256th Family Court, Honorable Sanders Street. Judge 292nd District Court, Brandon, Birmingham. Formal State Representative Terry Hodge. Judge County Criminal Court, Audrey Moorhead. Judge 302nd District Court, Sandra Jackson. Judge 330th District Court, Honorable Andrea Plumley, and City Council Member Richardson.
The program began with the recitation of Holy Quran.
Surah Al-Fatiha, the opening. I seek refuge in Allah from the outcast Satan. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
Famous Islamic scholar Imam Omar Sulaiman talked about the blessings of Ramadan.
Ramadan is a time where we get a chance to really get to know one another and get to know one another at a deeper level and even get to know people that otherwise are completely unfamiliar to us. It helps us connect with the blessings of God that we often take for granted, and it also helps us connect with those who do not have ready access to those blessings. And there may have been something that was missed in the verse by many that are listening, if you're not paying attention, that fasting was prescribed upon you in the same way that it was prescribed on those that came before you.
Speaking on this occasion, Mayor of Dallas Eric Johnson thanked Amirali Rupani for hosting such a beautiful event.
Full room, very full room. It's great honor for me to be here this evening to celebrate this holy month of Ramadan and for all of us to break bread together. As many of you know, tonight's celebration is particularly special because, as was mentioned, it's actually a renewal of a Dallas tradition, one that unfortunately, as was also mentioned, was halted due to COVID-19. But now I'm pleased to announce that we are back, and we are going to be doing these every year as long as I'm mayor, for sure, from here on out, God willing. And I'm pleased to say that, we're also stronger as a community, stronger than we've ever been. And when my friend Amir Rupani called me recently to ask me if I'd be willing to come into this event, my only two questions for him were, when do you want me to be there, and where do you want me to be?
The event also featured Congresswoman Eddie Burtis Johnson.
Dallas Muslim Leaders Recognition Award was presented to Congresswoman Eddie Burtis Johnson for the continued support to the Muslim community and other community alike.
To the Muslim community and other communities alike, thank you for your lifelong services and specifically introducing and passing the first Congressional Ramadan Resolution, H.R. 635, here April 10, 2023. This is for you.
Congresswoman Eddie Burtis Johnson talked about her relationship and experience with the Muslim community.
Like this. And I came because of my relationship with all of you. And nobody told me that I'd be getting a plaque of recognition. I want to say that we did pass, I introduced the Ramadan resolution at least 15 years before we finally were able to pass it in the Senate. But we finally did, because I think that the more I talked about it and gave the information, the more understanding that came about. And I kept telling them, if we can celebrate Christmas and different other holidays, religious days, we can celebrate this one. So let me say, please celebrate. Please continue to share your culture with ours. It really does help. Let me just say that when I went to in my first elective office 50 years ago, we didn't have this diversity. This diversity has added so much to this area. Your business acumen and your participating and caring is so much appreciated. And this is another act of caring to give me this plaque. but I appreciate it very much, and it is indeed a surprise. And even the mayor might have known about it.
Dallas Deputy Mayor Pro Tem Omar Narvis told that Dallas is a place for a lot of thriving Muslim businesses that add positive impact to Dallas economy.
District 6 that I represent is a lot of Muslim businesses, and they are thriving. And the fact that a lot of folks don't know is that the Asian Trade District is where Mr. Rupani's business is, who has become a very good friend of mine in the last few years. It brings in the same amount of tax revenue, as North Park Mall. Wow. So give yourselves a round of applause if that doesn't tell you how important the Asian Trade District is to the city of Dallas.
Speaking with Chalta TV, Mayor of Dallas Eric Johnson said that it was a very good event.
I'll tell you what, I'm so happy that we're able to do this event again in person here in Dallas. So been looking forward to this for a while, and it was great to see so many good friends from the Muslim community here, all under one roof tonight.
Especially after COVID, you see almost the chairs were full and the house was full. This was a long-awaited event that was due from the Dallas mayor.
Well, you know, in Dallas, we like to say everything here is bigger, and that includes our Muslim community and how we want to recognize and celebrate Ramadan in the city. So it was a packed room, it was a great crowd, but you know what? It'll be bigger next year. That's a promise.
So you have a tradition to do it again?
Absolutely. My buddy Amir here and we've already talked about it. We're going to do it again. We're going to do it even bigger.
Amirali Rupani, Dallas business tycoon, thanked the community for coming to the event and promised that he will continue to do this kind of iftar in future.
No, I will tell the community we really appreciate the community support. Without their support, we cannot do this kind of event. And plus, the mayor is here itself, and he's tells 1,000 words when the mayor of a big city like us in Dallas is the growing city. When the mayor is there, you can see the difference in the community itself too.
Especially today is a working day, but with the working day we saw a large number of people came here, right?
Thanks God. Thanks to God, the people, took, as soon as we send the invitation to the people RSVP to us right away, when they see the name of Mayor Eric Johnson is coming, everybody like the Mayor Eric Johnson.
We saw people taking selfies with you and pictures with you. So how would you see this love?
Well, I don't know about that, but I tell you what, I think everyone's just happy to be able to be back together again. And I mean, as one of the speakers mentioned before, this is just this month of Ramadan throughout history has just been a very important month for all the major faiths of the world. I mean, it's an important time of year for our Jewish community, for our Christian community, for our Muslim community. I think we're happy to be able to be together and celebrate our faith and our belief in the one true God.
Maghrib prayer was arranged for people, and at the end of the event, a lavish buffet was served. Many people told Chalta TV they were very happy, and this event will be remembered by people for many years.